One sneeze was all it took to accidentally arm the bomb. The police officer stared at the device in horror, then frantically flipped through the bomb disposal manual. Just as he started working, a group of kids ran over. Curious, "Stay back," the officer shouted through his megaphone. But when he saw the bomb's complex wiring, he panicked and fainted. The kids didn't listen. A girl with long hair snatched a tiny pair of scissors from her short-haired friend and, without hesitation, cut the red and blue wires. Everyone cheered until a crow suddenly let out a sharp caw. The bomb's gauges spun wildly. The device shook. The countdown had begun. The long-haired girl screamed. A boy below noticed something terrifying. There was one more wire, hidden under hardened glue. The scissors couldn't cut through. With only 10 seconds left, the crow swooped down, pecking desperately at the glue until it cracked open. The girl sliced the last wire. Click! The bomb stopped at 1 second. 1 second later, and everything would have been blown to pieces.